people? Welcome to Shrosky Outdoors. We're doing another commercial fishing episode today. Got some gear ready to set. I'm just about that time. I'm just sounding the bottom over here, trying to figure out where's the fish, and I think I'm marking more on the outside, so I might try do a outside set here. But we'll see. Those could be fish or they could be something else, but look like they're fish, all right. I've got McKenna here with me today, a beautiful girlfriend. Yep, replaced my old window here, brand new, man. Look at that difference. Crazy. Alrighty, getting to 6 o'clock, so we're gonna start getting ready to drop anchor. See if the set works, man. It's like 18 feet out here. We dropped the outside anchor. Got one long 100 fathom net. It's really marking some big marks on the sonar there, so it gotta be something. If not, we'll pull it and go back on right on the beach, but I'm thinking it might pay off. All right, moment of truth. See if the sonar is lying to us. We're not getting much fish out here. We're gonna pull and go right on the beach. See, pointed the right way. There we go. Pretty slack. Man, jellyfish. Maybe that sonar was picking up jellyfish. Dang. Be the last time I trust the sonar. First year I usually really have one for salmon fishing, but man, turns out I was marking jellyfish. I'm pulling right now and we're gonna go right on the beach. My buddy stopped by and he drove by one of his nets on the beach. He said he's already got like 6 in there. We had 2 in half an hour, kind of slow, so we're going to the beach. Second set. We got the anchor way up on the beach. Should be able to see all our floats now. Alright, man. Come on, fish this time. Out here solo fishing now. We had a little squall come through, man. It sure poured for a little bit and the wind switched. I don't know what it's gonna do now. We'll see, I guess. But I left Kenna on the beach. Brought my mom out too. I brought her out there before. They're having a little picnic. I want to come out and check as much as I could and keep this net clean so we could get some more fish on there. Gotta make sure my boat wants to be where it wants to go. I'm not trying to fight the boat. See what it does real quick. Still lots of jellies in here. Winds all over the place. I left the outside and started from the beach. Got one here from the south. Not very hot though. I saw one other one, but might have to do some moving around. Whew. Amount of jellies is crazy. Lots of jellyfish, especially on this outside. I'm like, there's not even much current. I don't know what the heck. I'm just piling up. Oh, got a hit inside. Just a few fish from the inside. This outside net had absolutely nothing. Makes me wish I brought my couple sets of buoys and anchors to split these nets up, and I could have put another one on the beach. Somewhere over there probably. But nope, I had the bright idea. One big net this time. Ah. A dang seal. Look like a little guy. Hopefully he's not getting too much fish, man. I better check here pretty quick. Check it out. Millions of jellyfish. This is horrible. I don't know what the heck is going on. Look how fast the current's going. Like, it's barely going that way. How am I accumulating so much jellies? Man. Wild. Shaking like crazy over here. Shaking the jellyfish out. No fun. 4 fish to show for it so far. We're almost to the end. Morning time, day 2. Good to see a little bit of wave action. Cloudy out today. My outside buoy. Can't see a whole lot. Oh, my net's right there, I guess. But my inside buoy came off and it's on the beach over there. How many times this happened to me? Gotta tie them off better. I brought some extra buoys though today, so in case I wanted to split the nets up, which I might do later. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and check this net. Ooh, one heck of a long check. They're all tight net, man. Current's just absolutely ripping right now. Took all my might just to get that the line over the bow earlier. Woo! Kind of tough when you're by yourself with this boat. They're all high bow roller to get that line over. About as much fish as we got yesterday, but man, way too slow. Go ahead and get a little break in before I try to pull this net in and move. Way too much jellyfish too, man. Woo! Unbelievable. Been sitting here a little while. Decided probably just stick it out here for a little bit, keep cleaning the net, because I noticed some fresh hits right after. Got a few here on the inside, one right there. See some nice fish. Forgot to mention my inside beach anchor dragged off the beach. You can see over there. And that current was ripping. A lot cleaner net this time. A better result this time too. Slow but steady, or it's not too slow, but at least they're steady. A few more checks like that and we'll be making some good bucks here. Finally getting nice out too. Woo! One net, two net. Just pulled them out and split them up. They're both on the beach. This one's not quite all the way on the beach, but things were getting a little hairy when I was on there myself, trying to keep the boat and gear against the beach while I was running up putting the anchor in. Almost went sideways there, but it did good. It's set. We got maybe a little over 10 more when we pulled. Getting full a little bit, maybe 3/4 full. Not too bad for the morning and part of this afternoon. I'm gonna go head back into town, deliver, get some more gas, and come back out. Try to keep these fish nice and fresh, deliver often so they're not spoiling out here in this heat. Back out in the ocean. Went to go deliver earlier and eat some dinner, take a little break, wait for the slack tide to go away, and got my new help out here. McKenna's out again. You see how our beach sets do. Hopefully we get some fish. Our first check on these two nets. Pretty slow, but not too bad. Still got some. Here's kind of putting them in. Good to have help. A lot better than being by myself. Just checked our second check on these nets and absolutely nothing. A little over an hour since the last time we checked. Pretty dang slow. Current picked up too, but we're not getting no fish. We'll Probably pull these pretty quick and move closer to town. Get in a couple checks tomorrow before pulling. Do an early morning one before work, and then should have enough time after work to pull nets. A little bit tired. A long day. Don't even gotta tell her what to do. Free work even. 30-pound anchor even. Tough. That concludes our fish business today, except for I guess delivering and getting more ice for the morning. But yep, pretty good day all in all. We're all busy. Got not 100, but pretty close. I was hoping to hit that 100 mark, but it's low, man. I don't know what the heck's happening. Maybe switch up my gear too next period. Switch to some smaller gear. Although we're getting quite a few big ones too, but it seems like we might be missing out on some smaller fish. Cruise on home and probably see you guys in the morning. Nice early morning. Current's ripping a little bit. I think the tide's about to switch though. Some jellies I see. Dang. A little ways off the beach. I didn't want to go too far on in case I was by myself pulling today. First fish of the morning by one of my holes. Jellies. Sun's starting to peek out over there. We got remnants of one fish on this net. Another net had 5 fish. Pretty slow, but the current's about to switch, and we'll see what this next tide brings. This one's real slack, man. The other one was pretty tight. Check. This net only had one fresh one though, so maybe with this tide switching it'll catch some fish while I'm having a busy day at work. At least I got these jellyfish cleaned out, and hopefully we got some fish when we come back. Well, from one job to the next. Gonna try hurry up and get out here, get these next nets cleaned, and then we'll be ready to pull here pretty quick. Got McKenna again with me today. My muscle to help me pull. Always nice to have her help. Close by town, not too far. Got one clapped out bin, that middle red one. Getting pretty dangerous. Gonna have to make a new bin for that one, or a new cover, how you could say. Ready to rip. net pulled now. Look like we started the period pretty slow and ended it slow as well. A little bit of money's to make anyway. You had a good time?
Yep.
Tough woman she is. Got a big picnic going on the beach, look like. Very beautiful day out. Ooh. Guess we'll head on back and deliver the fish. Back in our little harbor here in the slough. Another period down for the year. Our first 48 and shoot, seemed like a few years, man. Not too bad, a lot slower than I wanted it to be, but we made some money, had a good time. I always love being out there fishing. Hopefully they announce another opener soon. They haven't yet, which is kind of interesting, but hopefully we keep on fishing. Alrighty, we'll see you guys in the next one.